All right, here is the LuckyMan car seats, which I'm going to be installing inside of a Toyota Prius. Right here, it comes in a package like this. I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you, and then I'm going to go ahead and install it inside of a Toyota Prius to let you see how it looks and everything. All right, so let me get started with this. All right, so here is the LuckyMan seats that I'm going to get out. So it's somewhat of a leatherette, which means it's not really leather, but it's supposed to have similar feel to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and unzip it. It comes in a nice package like this and show you what it looks like. So right here it says that there's a manual, there's a video that I can watch to install this, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. It shows how to install it right here, all of the above. And then it goes on to part 6, 7, 8. It shows pretty much how to install it, the rear seat installation, as well as the front seat installation. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So here it is right here. I'm assuming this is a front seat. The front seat part of it right here. I believe this is supposed to be around for the lumbar support. And here goes the passenger seat right here. So there's only 2 seats right here, one for the front, driver, and passenger side, as well as these right here, which I'm going to install. All right, so let me go ahead and get started with this installing inside of a Prius, all right? So what I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna put the headrest, this is the headrest right here. I'm gonna put the headrest on first, and what I'm gonna do is make sure you raise the seat head up a little bit, and you see this right here? You have to make sure that push this right here, and you see the clips are hanging down right here. I'm gonna put it right here, and I'm gonna go and I'm gonna attach the entire thing. All right, so you may need to work from the back seat. And so I'm gonna go right here, take these straps, and I'm gonna bring it around, and then bring this around, and then you're gonna clip it in the back. All right, so I'm gonna show you the clips in a second. So put this around the headrest like this, and then you can adjust the headrest right here. And I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna bring it around the back and show you what it looks like. And these are the clips right here that I was showing you. Right here, this is the headrest from the back. Right here, it's simple clips that you clip into place right here, and it's all good, just like that, all right? And this is the clip that I'm talking about. You just take this right here, snap it into place, and the headrest is now fastened. All right, and so here is the seat. This is the front seat. I'm just gonna lay it down there how it looks, and then there is a zipper at the top of it. Right here, you want to make sure this is open because this goes over the headrest. All right, so you're gonna have this open, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the back side, you're just gonna put this over the headrest like this, and just slide it down. Over the headrest, and then just fit it in here properly like this. And then there's some hooks underneath the seat. You're gonna put that on there. And I'm gonna show you from the backside what that looks like. All right, so I have these right here. And what I'm gonna do, this is at the bottom of the seat right here. You can see at the bottom of the seat. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these and I'm going to pull them. There's one on this side and there's one way on there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these clips that come with it and I'm gonna attach it to the loop in between the seat. Take this, pull this up a little bit. All right, and then the front seat, I'm gonna take this right here, and you can separate it a little bit right here. You can see that, you can separate this. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide this, and put this in here like this. And then you're gonna hook this underneath the seat, but make sure you don't hook it into anything electrical underneath. So I'm gonna take this and then hook it up underneath the seat. And you want to, if you don't have power seats and you have this slider thing, make sure you go over this thing that you pull up right here, and then find something under here that's not electrical. Make sure you hook it up to a nice piece right here. Should be a metal. And hook it into place, that way the seat stays in. All right, and that's how you hook it in. Do it on one on the other side as well. And have this one for this on the side right here. Looks when you complete it right there. That's how the seat, the leather installment seat looks. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.